Hey guys, sorry being very busy, so I don't have a lot of time making videos. These are my latest purchase, and I'll try to find times to uh, review them. Um, this is a really nice dagger, push dagger, and it's actually a belt buckle. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the box. Even knives. Alright, and this is a Griptilian from Benchmade, but this is not the usual Griptilian. This is the H2O version. I don't know if you can see, but it says X15 TN right there. That's a waterproof steel. It's a little bit darker than a normal steel. As you can see, it has a grayish color, and it is supposed to be as good as the Spyderco's H1 steel. And this is the cool stuff here. This is Tops knives, Scorpion karambit. I don't know if it's a real karambit, but it's called a scorpion's tail. It's really nice, really nice. It has sharpened edge up and sharpened edge down, so you can do a lot of move with it, or like that. It's just nasty stuff. And it comes with the whistle, right? And the sheath. This is really nice sheath. I think it's called the G lock or something like that. It will stay closed in the belt. Alright guys, that's about it. I'll try to get them full videos for you guys, alright, as soon as possible. Bye. Thanks. Bye.